Hi, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can use a script I made to get IFC location data on a map displayed in AutoCAD. So we have the Building Smart utility to enrich IFC with location information. It's called the Geo buildingsmart.nl website. I did a lot of video about this, but I wanted to show you, well, how do you get this in AutoCAD? Why AutoCAD? Because AutoCAD, I often compared it with like a dumb blonde. It does what I say it does. And only one has one coordinate system. So it's a great way to check your location. But how do you retrieve this information and automate it to get it out of there? So here you have a screenshot of the script I made, read IFC map location. And what it does, well, it's open and free. It's for civil engineering and surveying purposes. So you get the point, the location point of your building. It will be displayed. It has a UCS and it displays the name of the model. From there on, you can either have layouts at the same place or the whole building. It is based on DWC, like I said, and so it can be run from AutoCAD. I'm trying to get some more light on my face, but it doesn't really help me. So okay, well, it's DWG based, and it supports also extended functionality for BricsCAD BIM. It works with multiple IFCs in one session, and it can be used worldwide. So it's not only in Dutch solutions, therefore I'm doing this in English. So after watching this, you know where IFC is stored, how it's stored, how to run a Lisp in AutoCAD or BricsCAD. It's fairly easy. The purpose of this tool, I hope this will explain this, and what can we do if IFC files miss information. The main driver of this method is that location is stored on national grid. In IFC 4, it's IFC map conversion method. It has the EPSG code. It has a target, an easting, a northing, and a scale. But also in IFC 283, this same method can be used, but it's a little bit, I could say messed up. But the principle is there, and IFC georeferencer supports this. So if you have old IFC file without any location information, it can be fixed this way. And this tool can read it out, and it's like a proof of concept. It works. So I will demonstrate it now. So first with AutoCAD alternative, and later with BricsCAD. So I'll turn to AutoCAD. Here you see a GStarCAD is sort of AutoCAD. It's a little bit cheaper, but does exactly the same thing. So I check my units. It's in meters. Oh, why doesn't that do it? It doesn't do it. Okay, and how do you load a Lisp file? Well, you search for LSP. You can download this from my file, and you say open, and you say load. It's successfully loaded. So it's really easy. And what it does, it gives you an extra command. I called it REC, read information. Okay. So here you have some sample files. One is in meters, and two, they don't have any geospatial information. As you can see from the prefix, this is went through the IFC georeferencer. So if I turn this one on, and it's 50 MB, but it tells me fairly early, it doesn't contain map conversion, so please fix it. We cannot continue. The other file, the same principle. This is a 2x3. 2x3 doesn't contain required geolocation properties. It requires this is called extended property set. It's not there in this information, so you get a warning if it doesn't there. You have to go to the Buildingsmite Netherlands website. So first model that was georeferenced using these codes. This code really doesn't really matter. This is for 3D, this is for 2D EPSG code, but the result is the same. So, okay. As you can see, now it reads, it has a, it draws circles, it makes the north visible, and it displays the model name. But what it also does, it makes a UCS. It's AutoCAD principle. It defines a UCS, and this one is now defined in this UCS. So if I do UCS world, actually on the grid map, this is the situation. You have these values, and this is my Z. This comes fairly, what did I do? Yeah, this is the situation. As you can see, I didn't do much effort to get it exactly right. But what you what you see here on this information is now exactly in AutoCAD. The same points. So if I read another file, I have two IFCs. I make this one. It's in the city of Nijmegen. It's a little bit far away from Eindhoven. This one is Eindhoven. And now it does the same thing. And it zooms out to the latest IFC import also. So, okay, same principle. Schependomlaan. As you can see, here you see 000. That's because I'm, again, in my UCS. If I do world, okay, zoom extend. Here you see them both. So this is and if I display a map, there are tools available in both AutoCAD and GStarCAD. For displaying the map, I have to tell the system what coordinate reference system it should use, 28992, and show me some map. So this is in Eindhoven, this is in Nijmegen. So in AutoCAD, of course, this is an add-on for GStarCAD. It's available for GStarCAD, for AutoCAD. It's called Geospatial Manager. So this is a low-cost setup, Chinese AutoCAD alternative with a spatial manager. It works, and I guarantee you this also works in Autodesk AutoCAD. The Lisp works, and the map, you can use this with geolocation in AutoCAD maps. So that's nice, I think. So okay, so what does BricsCAD BIM offer extra? Besides drawing these lines and setting these UCS, which were in the script. Oh, sorry, plan. So this is my local use. As you see, you have project location, site locations. Most Revit users are familiar with that, to set the origin of the import model. And with BricsCAD BIM, you can import IFC data. So that's really cool. Yeah. Otherwise, it wouldn't be called BIM if you can't handle IFC, I would say. So it's being imported, and in the background it will be an underlay, an XREF as we call it in AutoCAD, BricsCAD. So it should turn up at the right location. So to wrap it up, getting the information out of it is done in AutoCAD and all kinds of DWG alternatives using circles and just a line. If you want the IFC model, you should look for BricsCAD BIM. Here you see the model appearing. It's a little bit dark. That has to do with the visual style. BIM conceptual, maybe this will work. Yeah, it's a little bit faded. It's XREF faded. And if I turn on you see this is being set. This is also a feature that BricsCAD does. If it knows the EPSG code, it will take it from the IFC, and I'll display the map. So you see this is on the right place. So without having any manual input, BricsCAD BIM brings in the IFC on the spot with a map and all the properties. I hope you learned and liked this video. Subscribe for my channel if you want to stay updated for more practical hands-on for Geo and BIM. Thank you.